One of the key reasons is that for many years I've been volunteering with the Sierra Club as part of the Grassroots Lobby Network. And when you lobby legislators to do more for solar energy and renewable energy because of the climate crisis, eventually we decided I've got to stop just talking the talk and have to walk the walk. There's really two things. One is that there's just all of these little habit changes that because you've got the free electrons, you start doing things. Like during COVID, my wife and I take a daily walk, and I started picking up sticks when I'd find them in the street or on the parkway, bring them home and pile them up, and if it's a nice bright day with lots of free electrons, I get the electric chipper out and have chips for the garden. Solar systems seem like they're expensive. When we put our system in, it costs $13,200, which seems like an awful lot of money. But you also have to understand that there are two major credits that help to allay the cost of the system. There's solar RECs, renewable energy credits, and the solar RECs that we got were $4,000. And then there's a federal tax credit for doing solar, which was $3,922. Well, when you take the two of those off, the net cost is only $5,200. So literally 40% of the base cost is all that we actually paid net. Our electric bills beforehand were about $60 a month, and so now all we're paying is $14.30, which is not for electrons, but is for the interconnection fee with ComEd and taxes. So we saved a good bit. And one of the things that we did is we had an old gas lawnmower, and it had been a good lawnmower, but we decided, well, we should get an electric lawnmower. And so we got an Ego, self-propelled, very nice lawnmower. But when I bought that, the old lawnmower still had half a tank of gas in it. And so I thought, well, we'll take it for one last run. It was right here, as a matter of fact. And it got 10 feet into the run and blew a 2-inch hole in the carburetor. And I'm sitting there thinking, wait a minute, lawnmowers don't have feelings, but it's thinking, you're replacing me with a renewable energy lawnmower? I'm going to blow my top. Reasons. When you do net metering, sometimes you have to get the number of panels that Commonwealth Edison will let you do for the net metering. So we have 11 panels, and I always kind of keep thinking, what can I do to get a 12th panel up there so that it's even, you know. For example, we had a water heater that blew on us, and I was thinking, oh, let's get an electric water heater. Unfortunately, it would have taken 2 weeks without heated water for them to redo the electric. But yes, there's all sorts of things like that, which the less CO2 emissions that you have as part of your daily activities, the better it is for the planet.